Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest filled with tall, whispering trees and soft green moss, lived a little deer named Daisy. Daisy wasn't like the other deer who loved to graze quietly or nap in the shade. She had a special gift. Daisy loved to dance. Every morning, as the sun's first rays peeked through the trees, Daisy would twirl and leap across the meadow. Her hooves barely touched the ground as she spun around in joyful circles, her soft brown fur catching the golden light. One day, as Daisy was practicing her favorite twirls, a gentle breeze swept through the trees, carrying with it the soft sound of the wind. The wind swirled around Daisy, playfully tugging at her fur. Daisy giggled and leaped higher, letting the breeze guide her steps. "You dance so beautifully," said a tiny voice. Daisy stopped and looked around, surprised. Out from a patch of wildflowers hopped a little bunny, its eyes wide with wonder. "I've never seen anyone dance like that before," the bunny exclaimed. Daisy blushed. "I just love how the wind makes me feel free." The wind, hearing their conversation, decided to join in. It swirled and twirled, lifting Daisy's hooves higher into the air. The flowers swayed and the leaves rustled, all joining in Daisy's joyful dance. Even the birds in the trees chirped along to the rhythm of her graceful steps. From that day on, Daisy became known as the deer who danced with the wind. Animals from all over the forest would gather to watch her beautiful performances. And as she danced, Daisy knew that as long as she had her friends and the wind by her side, she'd always be free to twirl and leap to her heart's content. And so, Daisy danced happily ever after, sharing her joy with the forest every day.